2021 makeup trends. Spot conceal before foundation. Less concealer, blend upwards for lifting effect. Press in the translucent powder instead of baking under eyes. Brush brow hairs up, outer part of eyebrow pulled out instead of down. Conceal underneath. Feather brows with brow gel, bronzer for eyeshadow. Dark brown eyeshadow for eyeliner. It's still baked though. Lots of blush on high points of cheeks and nose. Lip liner and lip gloss. Blue setting spray. Here's the final look. Compare this to my last video to see how trends changed since 2016.
Trying viral eyeshadow hacks.
Come on now.
Pretty love of God, tell me how to get my concealer to stop.
Hi, okay, so I'm just about to put my concealer on, and I wanted to first of all, skin tone is really important. You want to make sure that your skin is really hydrated before you start. When placing your concealer, just place it a little bit lower rather than doing it under your eyes. I actually like to use a brush to blend it out and blending it out. See how I'm still avoiding directly under my eye? Also, if you have concealer, you should do that with concealer. I already think that concealer should be before powder. Now you want to go in with loose powder. Before you go in with powder, then just make sure there's no creases under the eye. So first I press on the powder really lightly back and forth with the brush. Wherever you crease the most, take a damp beauty blender and press it in.
Makeup hacks I wish I knew earlier. Pressing powder in with a sponge instead of baking. Using a setting spray with a sponge for a flawless, non-cakey finish. Using a small brush to highlight to create the illusion of a smaller nose. Makeup hacks I wish I knew earlier. Pressing powder in with a sponge instead of baking. Using a setting spray with a sponge for a flawless, non-cakey finish. Using a small brush to highlight to create the illusion of a smaller nose. Makeup tips. I wish I knew sooner. Eyes addition. Brown shadow. Inner liner shape to lift up. Cutting lashes. Following the middle of my pupil. Then blending my natural lashes with mascara. Line waterline with nude eye pencil at the edge for eyes to look more open.